Howdy. Today we are talking about corn ethanol, a renewable biofuel made from corn. That's right, the same corn you might eat for dinner can also power cars. Corn ethanol comes from the natural sugars inside corn kernels. Corn ethanol is one of the most widely used biofuels in the US and is considered cleaner than fossil fuels, so your car can feel a little less guilty about polluting. Because corn grows every year, it is renewable. And yes, this is science, not magic. It is one of the most common biofuels. You could say corn is a celebrity of renewable energy. It's made from sugars. Just a reminder. Corn is grown on large farms with sunlight, water, and nutrients through photosynthesis. Corn plants turn sunlight into sugars, basically turning solar energy into sweet fuel. If algae had a superpower, corns would be solar powered and delicious. Well, not in your gas tank, but you get the idea. Once harvested, corn kernels are ground into a powder. The starch is converted into simple sugars, and then yeast performs fermentation, turning the sugars into alcohol. Yes, like beer, but it's for cars, not humans. The ethanol is purified and blended with gasoline, so your car gets a little taste of corn juice on the side. Corn ethanol is fully commercial and widely available today. Most gasoline in the US contains ethanol, usually as E10, which is 10% ethanol, or E85, which is 85% for flex fuel vehicles. So if your car is flexible, it's basically on a corn diet. Ethanol helps the environment because corn plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. When ethanol burns, it releases carbon dioxide, but it's part of a natural cycle. Corn is kind of like an environmental hero. Still, farming, transportation, and processing produce some emissions, so it's not perfect. Economically, corn ethanol is a superstar. It creates jobs in farming, factories, and transportation, supports rural communities, and reduces the need for imported oil. It adds billions of dollars to the economy. Who knew corn could be so powerful? The public learns about ethanol through fuel pump labels, government campaigns, the renewable fuel standard, and online resources. These efforts explain why having corn in your car isn't weird. It's actually helpful. In conclusion, corn ethanol reduces emissions, supports the economy, and is widely available. If funding were limited, the plan would include developing higher yield corn, building cleaner factories powered by renewable energy. Corn ethanol could be even cleaner, cheaper, and more sustainable in the future. Thank you for listening, and remember your car can enjoy a little corn on the side. Here are my citations. Thanks and gig 'em.